Hey guys, John here again. There's your old transformer out of the microwave. I got her hooked up here. It's your high voltage, you got your ground. Got them hooked up to alligator clips right now. And on the other side right here, I got the 120 coming in. I'll be plugging it in over there to that extension cord. And we're gonna burn some wood. See how this works. I wanna see what happens with this. I've seen a few other videos on this before. I wanted to give it a try myself, see what happens. All right, there it is. We'll probably do one more right after this and go through the process of what we did to make this happen. But for right now, let's go ahead and clean this thing up. See what we got here. More water here. All right, there it is. It's actually really cool looking. All right, I'm gonna set this up one more time. I'll go through the process with you here real quick. All right, we're gonna try this again real quick. Another one, what I did was, last time I went with the grain. I used baking soda and water. Let me grab that real quick. Baking soda and water, and I just rubbed this all along here. And this time, I'm gonna soak it a little bit more. Just like that. And I have it up on a little brick right there, just keep it off the outer wood. And yeah, it shouldn't burn all the way through anyways. All right, I'm gonna turn it on and see what happens. Alright, I'm going to wet this thing down again. Do a little more baking soda on this. More baking soda water here. Let that soak in real quick. And let's see what happens with it. And that's how it's done. Check that out. Alright, let me clean it up. I'll show you guys. Alright, there it is. We're going to clean it up real quick. Got a Scotch pad, or a red one. I'm just going to clean this thing up real nice. There we go. Probably do a little more cleaning with this, but that's about it right there. Alright, hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, go ahead and subscribe. Thank you.